Today, good morning, everyone. Today we will do action words, which are called verbs. What is action? Whatever we do. हम जो कुछ भी करते हैं, whatever we do is action. Whether we are eating, drinking, singing, laughing, the thing which we do are actions. So every action word is called verb. Every action word is called verb. What are verbs? All action words. All action words are called verbs. This is a definition of verb. You have to learn it. For example, run, walk, jump, etc. So these are all action words. So these are doing words also. When we call doing verb, that is also called verbs. Okay. Let us see some action words. What is it? Cook. What the children and mother is doing? They are cooking. So cook. Then go. When we go somewhere, that is also action word. Eat, drink, sing, smile, read, write, cut, jump, dance, walk. An action verb is a word that shows what someone or something is doing. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ someone यानी कोई person ही कर रहा है, कोई चीज भी हो सकती है उसका कोई एक्शन. लाइक बॉल का भी कोई एक्शन हो सकता है ना. सिमिलरली किसी भी चीज का कोई एक्शन हो सकता है. काइट का एक्शन है क्या? वो फ्लाई कर रही है. बर्ड फ्लाई कर रही है. राइट? यस और नो? यस. So they have their action also. So in picture we can see laugh, learn, leave, listen, look, lose, make, meet, miss, move, need, offer, open, order, pack, paint, pass, play, phone, pull, push, put, quarrel, question, Q. So these all are action words from L to Q. There are more action words also. The basic thing is जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, एक्शन कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा verb है. And without verb we can't frame a sentence. Without verb we can't frame any sentence. So we will do the exercise now. Fill in the blank with a verb. Take help from the box given below. But in exams, you are not going to have any options. You have to learn fill in the blanks. Don't just think we are going to give you any options. We are not going to give any options, right? We are not going to give you any options over here. So you are not going to have any options in your exams. So better you learn it. So first is we should always dash pure water. Always drink pure water. Children loves to eat fresh bread. Children love to eat fresh bread. Tom, see, It is singular. It is singular, yes or no? So in verb we will put s. If the noun is singular, noun single है, तो हम verb में s put करते हैं. We are going to put s in the verb. So Tom climbs a tree. यहाँ पे अगर आपने s put नहीं किया तो आपके मार्क्स कट हो जाएंगे. Tom climbs a tree. Okay, it is not climb. It will come climbs. The bell is singular again. There is only one bell. Then the verb will have s at the end. Rings. The bell rings. Those children. Yani there are many children. Those children speak English. Now we will not say speaks. Here we will not put s at the end of the verb. Those children speak English. Stars. Now noun have got s over here. See, can you see? In this we have s at the noun. Noun has got s. So we will not put s over here. Stars twinkle at night. We will not write s. If we will write s, then your marks will again, we will cut your marks in the exams. So you have to pay attention at that thing. Okay. Kings, s. See, again we have s in the noun. See, you can see here, kings. Now with kings, live, it will be live over here, not lives. Kings live in palaces. Okay, the sun. Now we have one singular. There is only one sun. Then we will put s at the end of the verb. Rises. R-I-S-E-S. Rises in the east. The earth. Only one noun. Singular noun is there. The earth moves around the sun. Again we have to put s over here. अगर नाउन में s नहीं है तो हमको वर्ब में s लगाना है, और अगर नाउन में s है तो वर्ब में s नहीं लगेगा. ओके. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. This was exercise number 2. Now we will do exercise number 3. Choose the right verb to go with each noun so as to make a meaningful sentence. One is done for you. A knife cuts. A knife cuts. The grass. What does grass do? The grasses. See, you have s at the back of the. Yes. Grasses grows. The sun shines. We don't have s over here. We will put shines. The sun shines. The wind. What wind does? Blows. Wind blows. The rain falls. Horses gallop. Aeroplanes fly. Ships sail. Okay. Is it clear? In exams, we will give you this thing, a knife. We will not give you the verbs. You have to write the verbs or on your own, and you have to complete the sentence. means we have given the grass dash, and you have to write grows. We will not give you any options that time. So you have to learn this in this way. Now we will do picture reading words. Some simple rules and examples for picture reading. When we are going to do picture reading, we have some basic, what we can say, rules. So what do we do? हमको क्या करना चाहिए? Look at and read the word. Look at and read the word. Listen to the vowel sound. When we are reading some word, we have to pay attention on the vowel sound. Is it too long or too short? See what happens to the short vowel words here. See, when we have a short vowel, can you see? The short vowel is lap, beg, hit, nod, put. So when we have these short vowels, then the consonant after the word, last word, will double. Lapping, L-A-P-P-I-N-G, lapping. Begging, B-E-G-G-I-N-G, begging. Hitting, nodding, putting. In all these words, the consonants are doubled. You can see we have doubled the consonants. The last word are all consonants. They are not vowel. P, G, T, D, and T. These are all consonants. So when we have a short vowel sound in between and the consonant at the last, short vowel के बाद जब consonant आएगा, then we have to put the last word 2 times. The consonant will be doubled. Okay. If the vowel is a short sound with only one consonant after it. So one thing more. If the vowel is having only one consonant after it, then you must double the consonant, as I told you before. What you have to do? You have to double the consonant. How many consonants after the short vowel sound here? See, if we have short vowel, you can see this is short vowel. A, I, A, I, A, U, A, U, U, and I. So we have short vowel and we have 2 consonant after vowels. How many consonants? 2 consonant. CK, ND, NT, NK, RN, MP. Like this, we have 2 consonant after a short vowel. Then what we will do, if we are having 2 consonant after a short vowel, we are not going to double the consonant. We are not going to double consonant. We will just write BACK, back, ING, backing, STIC, stick, ING, sticking, STAND, stand, ING, standing, HUNT, hunt, HUNTING, hunting, BANK, bank, BANKING, banking, TURN, turn, TURNING, turning, JUMP, jump, JUMPING, jumping. See here, nothing is repeated. We are not repeating any consonant because we have short vowel over here, and after that short vowel, we are having 2 consonants. So we will not repeat anything in this form. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. L-I-F-T, lift. L-I-F-T-I-N-G, lifting. Okay. So this was about short vowel we were doing. So if the vowel is short sound but has more than one consonant after it, then just add ing. Then we have to just add ing. Can you think of any more words like this? You can write it. Look at the next list of the words. Tell your neighbor what you notice. There is something the same about each one. आपने क्या नोटिस किया ये बात आप अपनी मम्मी को बताना. Look, C-O-M-E, come, C-O-M-I-N-G, coming, H-O-P-E, hope, H-O-P-I-N-G, hoping, joke, joking, fake, faking, slide, sliding, hide, hiding, take, taking, tune, tuning. Anybody has noticed anything in it? What is happening in these words? Can anybody tell me? What is something? Yes, Nitya, unmute by your side.
मैम मैं बताऊं.
Yes, tell me.
जैसे कम है उसमें लास्ट में ई आ रहा है.
So what is E? What is E? What is E? E is vowel or consonant?
vowel.
Vowel, yes. Then?
जिसमें ing आ रहा है.
Yes, correct. Mute.
उसमें ई.
Okay. So when we have vowels at the end of the word, we will remove the vowel and then put ing. Okay. Have you noticed this? Yes. See, if it ends in E, if any words that ends in E, drop the E, cut the E when adding ing. When you are adding ing, remove the E from that word. Okay? Got it? Now you think what the next tool might be. Look at this new list of the word. Now see, what is the same? What is same in it? Break, breaking, leap, leaping, look, looking, sleep, sleeping, cheat, cheating, float, floating, boil, boiling, sail, sailing. So have you noticed anything in it? What is it? Yes, Alokik, unmute by your side.
मैम के को हटा के आई.
No, 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 not. Yes, Jia, what have you noticed in it?
बताओ मैम को उसमें मैम ने क्या पढ़ाया था.
Sorry, your voice is getting echoing. So, chalo, I'll tell you, we don't have much time. So, here we are reading something else. Now, here we have long vowel, E and A. अभी तक हमने जो भी किया था single vowel के साथ किया था. Now we have two vowels with us. What are we having? We are having two vowels and one consonant. Two vowels and one consonant. Two vowels, One consonant at the back. So the nothing to be changed, I think. Break, and just simply we are going to put ing. Okay, we are not going to change anything in this. We will just put ing. Correct? Got it? Short vowel sound with one consonant, we have to double the consonant and add ing. Short vowel sound with two consonants, we will just add ing. Ending in E, we will drop the E, then add ing. And if we are having long vowel sound, we will just add ing. See, you can see so many: playing, crying, throwing, eating, listening, dancing, wiping. What is she doing? I don't know. Dancing, reading, writing, jumping, raising, frightening, cleaning, looking, sleeping, climbing, bathing, singing, drinking, flushing, kissing, hugging, sleeping, skating, exercising, watching, and looking. So these are the words which shows what are we doing. Now you have to do only till 10. The baby is, you have to look at the picture. In picture, what baby is doing? Baby is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. The man is walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. The boy is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. The boy is kicking a football. K-I-C-K-I-N-G. Kicking a football. The aeroplane is flying in the sky. F-L-Y-I-N-G. The children are crossing the road. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. See, we have doubled the consonant over here. The girl is eating a cake. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating a cake. The boy is brushing his teeth. B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Brushing his teeth. The boy is drinking tea. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking tea. The teacher is teaching the class. T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G. So here we have long vowel. Yes, we will not put anything double over here. We will just like teach ing. So this was all about today. Thank you. This is the end.